How to run built-in simulations. DataChief comes with couple of predefined forms and simulations, so let's try out vehicle usage form, but first we need to give it a context. Company needs to track usage of cars used by salespeople. Salespeople which can use cars are Jennifer, Michael, and Elizabeth. Sales manager Patricia needs to review usage of cars. Richard from accounting needs to collect data for expense tracking. With case study profiles installed and DataChief in Form Designer and Publisher mode, simulation test can be run in Settings tab and, under Behavior, choose Run Car Usage Log Simulation Script to run. It will take few minutes for the script to finish. In this DataChief mode, user switching is enabled so you can test your workflows more easily. This enables us to switch to Richard's profile. Go to Settings tab, and under Profile choose Richard as he is final step. Then switch to Data Collection tab and Collected Data subtab. This is Richard's form database. We see that Richard has 3 forms in database. Here you can click on individual row to see form saved in database. You can print form to PDF and check form details, including detailed workflow, and other useful information. Database is not designed to handle large amount of data, so you need to export your data from time to time and delete database. Before deleting your database, make sure that you have exported your data. There is 2 ways of exporting to text file, one in which every field is in column, and other with more rows. Let's try it out with fields in columns. We choose location and file name. And now we can open comma-separated file in our spreadsheet software. We see that we have multiple forms exported. Every single row is our form and columns are our fields. The other method exports more metadata with fields in rows. Since Richard is also broadcast receiver, let's then switch to Received Statuses Broadcast subtab and Graphical View subtab and choose Car Log. Graph will be displayed illustrating workflow with forms count. Here it's clearly visible that Patricia has returned 1 form to initiator. Then it was fixed and sent again. Okay, this part is finished. You can read more details on this simulation in Case Study file in About tab. Thank you.